Okay, so going through the profile page, here you have both the trade profile and also your main account settings, okay, as well as a couple of additional things which we will also talk through. Starting off with the trading profile. Now, when you first sign up, okay, and you get your access to your account, your profile will look like this, okay? It will look completely blank. Okay, your dashboard will look like this. Everything will just be zero, not set, and you can't actually do anything, okay? You can't add a trade, you can't do anything until you set up your profile. So what you do is you come over to my profile, okay, and here is the actual setting. So you click on edit up here, and now you can choose your currency, okay, that you want your account in. Let's say I want USD. Now your current account balance, okay, so this, I'm on the investment account. Let's just say this is, say, 10,000 USD. And then you need to choose your risk model, either reserved or accelerated. Okay, now here it says, is this update due to a payout? Now you don't need to use this on the initial sign up, okay, but later on, say for example, you grew this account to say 12,000 and then you wanted to take out $500 out of that account, you would just simply update the balance, click this is due to a payout, and then when you update, it will then activate into the payout statistics, okay, and it will also reset your account, etc, etc. So that's sort of how you go about setting up your account initially. And of course, if you want to go back out of that or you change your mind, you just simply click the cancel, okay, and it just puts it back to the default. So that's what it looks like initially, and this is what it looks like once it's been already set, okay. If you ever have an update, say you just want to change your currency pair, you can just simply do that and then just update. That won't affect your risk sequence. The only things that will affect your risk sequence are the account balance and also the risk model, okay? That will reset it. And that is also explained in a lot more detail in the little eye icon. So that's the trading profile. And now if we come down here, we've got the payout statistics. So like I said, it's kind of linked to the trading profile. That is how you actually add in your payout statistics. You have to update your balance. So let's say, for example, we have $15,554 in the account. Let's change that back to 15,000. Is this update due to a payout? Yes. And then update, okay, it will tell you, are you sure? This will reset your risk sequence. All previous trade history will also be locked from editing. Okay, what that means is that all of our trading data is based on the current risk sequence. So once you end that current risk sequence, okay, by updating the balance or updating the risk model, it locks that previous data from being edited so that it will not mess up your sequence and results, okay, on the account. And then everything after that point can be edited and will be refreshed. Say, for example, if you delete a trade mid-sequence or if you edit a trade mid-sequence, it will recalculate all of those values from the point of reset. Okay, so that is why it's locked after that point. So yes, update, okay. And there you go, okay, it's updated your balance to 15,000, and now you see that it's added in your payout. So you've had a $554 payout, gives you the date. You can also add notes in here, okay, so you can say, you know, what it was for, if it was a prop firm, if it was personal funding, whatever it was, okay. And it just gives you a little overview here, okay, your total payouts, your biggest payout that you've had, and the total profit, okay, that you've had paid out. And then it tells you your last payout date. You know, so if you're in the future and you're wondering when was my last payout, then you know, okay, that the last payout was 16th of February. Here you can delete all your payouts. You click this button and it says, are you sure you want to delete all your payout history? You click that and it will just completely wipe this whole area, and then you can just start fresh from that point. Okay, so that is the payout statistics section. Now up here we have the trading goals. Now, of course, goals are a big part of multiple areas of trading. Okay, trading isn't just how much money can we make, it is, you know, a personal development journey of are we improving as an individual as well. So the trading goals could be personal, they could be trading related, but at least we give you that option here just to track some of those goals and to see, you know, if you can hold yourself accountable to, you know, anything that you may be trying to achieve, whether that's I'm trying to get funded, I'm trying to have 3 months consistency, I want to follow my trading plan for the next month, whatever it might be. Okay, you can simply add your goal, so we can just put in here test goal 2, okay, description, this is a test, and then, you know, target date, when do I want to achieve it. You can either type your date, okay, and we do the day, the month, and then the year, or you can just simply click on the calendar and you can just pick a day. Okay, I want to achieve this by the 29th of April. click that in there, and then you just save your goal. Okay, and then your goal gets added to the list. Okay, so once you've added the goal, you can come over to here and you'll see them all listed in a row. If you simply just click on there, it gives you a little bit more information. It shows you the description, okay, the created date and the target date that we set. Now, once you've actually achieved the goal, all you got to do is just come up here and click the field, and then it will say completed, and it will give you a completion date. Now, if the completion date is after the target date, okay, the color will tell you that you're slightly late on that date, okay, but if not, it will just be green, and it means you've completed it within the targeted time frame. So, and of course, if you accidentally do that, you can just click it again and it will just undo, and now it's reactivated. If you want to edit the goal, you just simply click on the little pencil icon, and then you can come over to here. We can change any of the fields. Okay, test goal 3, click on update, and it just updates that for you. And if you want to delete it, you just click the delete button, and yeah, the goal has been removed. If you want to delete all of your goals, okay, you just come up here and you click this one, and you can delete all of the goals, okay, for that particular account type. Okay, so that's basically the whole goal section, and you can have goals just for your personal account or for your investment account. Okay, so you get 2 different sets of goals. Now, down here is the account settings. So this is just a little bit of the admin side of things. You've got your full name, okay, you can add that in if you want. And the email address which is associated with your account. If you want to update either of these, you can just click the pencil. You can update your name, okay, just come along here, change it like that, okay. And if you want to update your email address, you click on the pencil, then you put in your new email address in this top field, okay. Then you confirm with your password, click the tick, and then you will see a pop-up which tells you that you're going to get a verification email. During that time, you will still see the current email address, but you will also now see a pending email address underneath it, okay, which is the one you're trying to change to. What you do is just go to your email, follow the instructions on the email, verify that account. Okay, and then this current account will be logged out and your email address will be updated. Okay, that's how you go about changing your email. Then over here, we just have the password section. So current password, your new password, and then confirmation of the new password if you want to change it. That's much more straightforward. And yeah, that's pretty much how you handle anything related to your email or password. Of course, if you do have any problems with your account or any issues, we do have a contact form on the website, okay, in the footer. There you can obviously get in touch with us and we can help you with any issues with your account if they appear. So that's pretty much everything that we have here in the profile page. Okay, and now let's have a look at a few more individual features with RiskFusion.